Hello there. You've probably noticed me in your inbox or snooping on your LinkedIn profile. I hope you have anyway, because I've been trying to get your attention so we can talk about how online events can enhance your internal comms strategy. Whether you've noticed my attempts or not, I hope you realise I'm serious about winning your business. So much so, in fact, I'm willing to embarrass myself on camera. Now, here's what I know. By next year, 50% of workers will be working remotely. How are you going to deliver a consistent message? The average adult consumes over 5.5 hours of video per day. They expect video to be part of your internal comms strategy. How are you going to hear everyone's voice? Now, wouldn't it be great if the tech side of things just worked? We think so. When running an event with streamGo, your dedicated event producer takes care of all the technical details. Your online internal comms event doesn't need to be painful and stressful. Our team makes things simple for you. Now, can you make things simple for me? Can we organise a call, a meeting? Worst case, we walk away, we've not done business, but we've both learned something from each other. Right, that's got to be a wrap.